Good afternoon, everyone, especially to our Professor Sir Jeff. I'm going to present my output about quality management. Okay, so quality management. Quality management involves overseeing all activities aimed at maintaining a desired level of excellence in products and services. It is crucial for enhancing customer satisfaction, reducing cost, and improving organizational efficiency. Objectives of quality management: meet customer expectations, improve process efficiency, reduce errors and waste, foster a culture of continuous improvement. Key principles of quality management: customer focus, leadership commitment, involvement of all employees, process approach, continuous improvement, evidence-based decision-making, mutually beneficial supplier relationship. QMS or Quality Management System, a structured framework for managing quality such as ISO 9001. Key components include quality policy, procedures and processes, documentation and records, regular audits and reviews. Tools and techniques: Pareto analysis, fishbone diagram, control charts, Six Sigma methodology, total quality management or TQM. Benefits of effective quality management: higher customer satisfaction, better compliance with standards, reduce cost and waste, enhance organizational reputations, promotion of a culture of continuous improvement. Challenges in quality management. So resistance to change among staff. So kung may changes, gusto kang ma-improve pero yung mga staff ay ayaw, no? Lack of management commitment. So minsan ano yan, palipat-lipat o papalit-palit ng decision or ng priorities ang management. Inadequate training program. So minsan din walang schedule nga trainings para sa mga concerned na employees. Poor communication channels, difficulty maintaining consistency. So conclusion, quality management is essential for organizational success. So, kailangan talaga yung quality management para mas mo-improve ang company or organization. Focus on customer satisfaction and continuous improvement. So sana yun ang dapat, no? The company will see to it the satisfaction of the customer. Then, palaging tingnan ang paano mag-improve ang products or the company itself. Successful implementation requires commitment, the right tools, and a proactive culture. That's all. Thank you.